Never been to fireworks before, have you? Your first time. Oh, what did you find? We got that one last year, didn't we? I got a couple fireworks last year. We're here at the fireworks stand. Jay's first time getting fireworks. I'm so proud of her. So very, very proud of her. All right. We got $20, kiddo. Don't forget, okay? $20.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh, you want some poppets, right? You want a couple of those? Grab a couple of those. Do you want some of the sparklers? Right there. Grab one of those. Okay. Ooh, wow. Spaceship. $5.99. Okay, keep looking. We got lots and lots of stuff. Ooh, double crackling balls. Those are going to be loud. Cracklies. Ooh. Oh, look at those. Ghost pirates. I wonder what those do. I've never seen those. Look at Minions. Oh, look at that, Jay. Night Owl. Demo Derby. Bad Apple. What? Oh, my goodness. Wow. Look at the big ones. Wow. Jay, look at that one.